Ready to travel the world smartly and effectively? Here's Chapter 3 of our guide to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. 1. Pack conservatively. Bring only essentials, invest in comfortable footwear, choose layered clothing, and leave valuables at home. 2. Stay healthy. Maintain your health. Get plenty of sleep, limit alcohol, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and practice good hygiene. 3. Invest in a global cell phone. Staying connected is crucial. Consider a universal phone. Check with your provider for international plans, and be ready to purchase SIM cards as needed. 4. Prevent homesickness. Lastly, prevent homesickness by keeping in touch with loved ones. Regular calls, video chats, and sharing your experiences can help you stay connected. With these tips, you're set for a smart and effective travel experience. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure. Subscribe for more travel tips.